Hello everyone! This video examines how knowledge gaps emerge between data stakeholders such as students, instructors, and decision makers such as administrators. The focus of this knowledge gap examination is implementing new information communication technology, or ICT, especially AI in higher education. I hope to uncover shared experiences across stakeholder participant groups such as students, instructors, and decision makers. These communication gaps affect technology adoption, communication, instructional quality, and organizational effectiveness. There's a persistent disconnect between those who generate data in higher education settings and those who make decisions based on that data to implement technology in higher education. Key drivers of this data gap include reluctance to adopt technology sometimes due to cost or lack of skill or preference for use of traditional educational methods. Another key driver of this data gap is different practices across offices and directorates. These different practices create a scattering of information across systems and departments. Some organizations may have different data, or inaccurate, incomplete, or inconsistent information is being used to make decisions. Some organizations may not have reward systems for people that are following guidance, while other reward systems fail to motivate behavior. These poor incentives can create barriers to large-scale technology integration. Tech implementation trends sometimes lose momentum as organizational priorities shift to new projects. Technology is essential for innovation, communication, and enhancing the quality of interaction and content. This is the first video in a series focused on discussing how instructors, students, and administrators experience and interpret this knowledge gap between user data that's generated and administrative technology implementation decisions. I hope to illuminate how these gaps shape technology adoption and instructional practice and the ability to support complex problem solving. I want to identify and prioritize ensuring that we get the right data tools to the right person to improve communication among students, instructors, and leadership. I want to enhance the use of technology in classroom environments. I want to reveal systemic barriers and increase opportunities for improvement. I hope to provide practical insights for leaders implementing AI and other tools. This video builds on the work in the areas of collaborative and digital problem solving. Many people will push problems out to a group of collaborators on social media. When this is done, users receive all kinds of recommendations. One of the challenges is the quality of responses in social media. Not everyone is tech savvy. You get responses from a specific group in the population. We can enhance our ability to implement technology in higher education settings by focusing on improving communication between stakeholders such as students, instructors, and decision makers. This can help improve management and ensure available, usable, and integrated data. By focusing on this gap of information between instructors, students, and administrators, we can improve leadership decision making and student learning experiences.